My name is Dongsik Kim. I am an underwater cinematographer, and I've been doing this work for 39 years. As a child, I loved nature, especially the sea. My lifelong dream has been to vividly portray what is hidden in the sea, how one can explore both humans and nature. For instance, the female divers of Jeju Island and dolphins. I want to show that the sea and people can coexist. Lately, I've been thinking about how to film underwater without harming the sea. The camera I currently use is extremely bulky. I can minimize the disturbance of a hefty camera by filming with a small phone. I'll increase my mobility and limit the impact on the dolphins and their natural habitat. The sea that I have come to know so well has changed, for the worse. Tuck has oral cancer. Ore, who was infected by flukes, was given that name in hopes that he'd live long. My wish is to bring these friends hope so they can live happy lives. By conveying my passion for sea conservation, I hope to pass on a flourishing ocean to the next generation. I will continue to challenge myself. My dream is unrelenting.